I need one in my office to work for him.
So it's really hard for you to come back again to shopping. To see,
I get used to traveling.
to see the lovely ladies.
Yeah.
Takawain mo.
My wife showed me like
Si Shal, si Mona. Mamaya may pagkain pa yan.
Make ano na later.
Wala pa.
Grocery naman later. He always grocery you.
Oo nga. Gusto niya eh. Patatabain talaga ako nito. Ito ang tuba ako na. Nana kung gusto niya mataba eh. Gusto niya payat eh. Tanong sa kanya.
She looks good, right? Yeah.